when Tippy and Jewel were missing. Tippy and Jewel are missing. Oh my gosh, it's a very big search party. I know, it's very bad. Yeah, it's from search party. Well, Tippy and Jewel are missing. Well, we gotta find them quick, very quick. What, Tippy and Jewel are missing? Well, I gotta put my clothes on immediately. Yeah. Jewel, Tippy, where are you? Jewel, Tippy, where are you? Jewel, Tippy. No, not there. Oh no, it's Jewel. Oh, we gotta go up there, Pillow. She don't quit Lucy. Anything can happen. Jewel, Jewel, Jewel. What? Everyone's looking for you. They are? Yeah. Everyone said that you were missing. And Tippy, but where is she? I don't know. I'm looking for her. You're looking for her? Oh my god, me too. Hold on, let's see my search party. Well, let's just go find her. Tippy, Tippy. Oh, there you are, Tippy. God, everyone, where are you? I was just hiding from the rain. Me too. Well, let's just go home. Let's go. Well, you found us. And at the end, we all turned out to be friends. Hugs. Hugs for all y'all. Hugs. 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 We missed you guys.